Do you struggle with self-love and weight loss? You're not alone. It's time to embark on a journey of self-love and transform your mind. Self-love is the foundation of any weight loss journey. Taking care of our bodies by making healthy choices is an act of self-love. Fitness is not just about losing weight, it's about being strong and confident. Achieving your weight loss goals should be a celebration of your act of self-love. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And in this video, I know that you are on your way to losing weight, or you're seeking what's the best way to lose weight. In this video, I'll talk about one of the integral parts that will help you to lose weight. So you want to lose weight, and you're so uncertain about where to begin. You're so uncertain about what to do. You might feel a little bit scared of the actions that you need to put in place to take in order to lose the weight. Okay? So now the best thing you want to do is you want to start loving yourself. That's the first step. Love yourself where you're at. As long as you can start to look yourself in the mirror and just love yourself for the body that you're in right now, that makes such a profound difference and change. Once you start loving yourself where you're at, it gives you that release. It provides a sense of a relief to your body, okay? And you start to notice small changes. Your body start to feel good. It start to love itself, and you can actually feel that energy within yourself. Okay? Once you start to take care of yourself and love yourself where you're at, love every little feature, every little detail. Speak positivity into yourself. Speak positivity into your life. Look yourself in your eyes in the mirror and say, you are beautiful. You are gorgeous. You are brilliant. Every part of you is beautiful. And you can do this. You can lose this weight. You've got this. And you will see what difference it starts to make. You know, your body just starts to be receptive. It starts to feel so energized and so in tune with your goals of losing weight. Look yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself that you love yourself where you're at. Speak it daily. Speak it in the nighttime. Speak it in the daytime. Whenever you're in front of the mirror, look yourself in the mirror and say, you are beautiful where you're at. You are beautiful where you are at. And you will definitely achieve your goals. You've got to believe it when you're telling yourself this. When you look yourself in the mirror, look at you. Find one of the features that you love the most about yourself. What is that feature? Is it your eyes? Is it your lips? Your ears? Is it your hair? What is it? Look at that feature and focus on that feature. And, say you have such beautiful hair. You have such beautiful eyes. Look at you. You have such lovely cheekbones. Within time, these cheekbones are going to get even more defined. I love me where I'm at. You've got to tell yourself that. Speak to yourself positively. Do not wait for other people to go and start giving you compliments. If you keep waiting for people to compliment you, that compliment may never come. You've got to start complimenting yourself. Be good to yourself. Love yourself. Hug yourself. Throw kisses to yourself in the mirror. You've got to tell yourself you're beautiful. Don't wait for your husband to tell you. Don't wait for your friends to tell you. Don't wait for your boyfriend or your girlfriend to tell you that you're beautiful where you're at. You are beautiful where you're at. Once you start to embrace yourself and you start to give yourself self-love and also incorporating healthy foods that you know is going to help your body to thrive. Weight loss doesn't have to be stressful. It doesn't have to be something where you're slaving away in the gym day and night. Exercise is important, yes. You want to get your endorphins, your good, happy endorphins up, and you want to definitely exercise and get those hormones active. You want to increase your heart rate. But just taking a slow-paced walk, walking now and then, maybe doing a Zumba class, maybe doing yoga, something, that's good. But you don't need to do it on a daily basis. If you like to go to the gym on a daily basis, hurrah to you. If you have the time and you're able to do that, definitely do that. You know? But weight loss doesn't mean that you have to be slaving away in the gym all the time. You can lose the weight by making small changes to your eating habits, what you eat. Focus on integrating more fruits and vegetables. And if you're vegan, you know, anything that has high protein in it, like lentils, for example, you can make lentil soup, incorporate some lettuce, some cucumbers, some strawberries, some apples. Incorporate healthy stuff in your body. Show yourself that you love yourself. Sometimes you may feel, well, I just need to have a snack. I need to have a snack. Don't beat yourself up after you have done that. Don't beat yourself up. Tell yourself it's okay. It's okay. You deserve that. You earned that. You're so perseverant. You're so good at not giving up. Keep going. Keep talking to yourself in a positive way. Keep loving yourself. And that self-love will give you the confidence that you need to keep going. It'll give you a boost. Your body will be so receptive. Your body will start complimenting itself and complimenting you. Remember, our bodies are the temple of God. Okay? And with that, we should treat it as such. God resides within us. His Spirit resides within us. Okay? So we're supposed to treat our body with respect, with love. Okay? Love yourself. Love your body. Treat yourself good. Give yourself self-love. Drink enough fluids. You know, the sugar drinks, the soda, find alternative. One alternative to sugar soda is salsa water. If you like soda, try and get salsa water. If you like something crunchy, try and get like some celery or some cucumbers. If you're feeling for something crunchy like chips, you know, you want add some salt to it. You know, you got to give yourself self-love. You know, integrate things that show yourself that you love it. You love yourself. Go buy yourself roses. Buy yourself some roses. Don't wait for somebody else to give you roses. Treat yourself with that love that you expect others to give you. Pamper yourself. With each achievement, each goal that you meet, set small goals. Small goals. Okay? What do you want to set small, realistic goals? Say, for example, you want to lose 1 pound per week, 2 pounds, 3 pounds per week. Set them small and aim for higher. You want to lose, you say, I want to lose 3 pounds this week, but aim to try to lose 4 pounds. And by that I mean putting actions in place where you can actually achieve those goals. If it means going for a brisk walk once or twice per week, do that. A slow-paced walk. If it means taking a Zumba class, if it means just doing some stretches or dancing in your room to yourself, you know, just look at yourself. Play your favorite song. Play your favorite music. You know, who's your motivation? Who are your inspiration? Are they your children? Are they your family? Why do you want to look and feel better about yourself? Why do you want to lose the weight? First, it starts with you. You want to lose the weight for you first. Okay? And then you can do it for others. If you can't do it for yourself, then you won't be able to do it for others. You've got to be able to love yourself first and do things for you first. Okay? You've got this. You can do this. You're smart. You're an intelligent being. Greater things are meant for you. And if you start now, don't wait for tomorrow. Okay, let's say you ate a whole lot for the day. Don't wait for tomorrow to start. Start today. You already ate a lot. Okay, you ate a lot of junk food. You have today. You have now. You can start right now. You can start loving yourself. You can start losing the weight. You can start making changes now. Don't wait till tomorrow and be like, oh, I just keep stuffing for myself from morning till night. You know, think about yourself. Remember, love yourself first. Okay? And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new to my channel, definitely like, subscribe, and share this video.